Tell Aunt Voni thank you for the presents.
Thank you. Thank you, Aunt Voni, for the present.
Now we're gonna open it. Okay. Take the tape, Mason, and rip it. The tape. No. The big tape, not the little baby
Red and
one.
white tape.
Yeah. See if you can keep pulling that down. Aunt Voni, here's Lukey. We just finished feeding him. Say hi to Aunt Voni. Hi, Aunt Voni. Okay, now flip the box okay, now flip it so that this part is the upside with the stickers. Yep. Turn it down. Turn it down. Flip it over. No, the other way. Yep. Okay, now you can pull stuff out. I think that's the up way. Show me what's in it. Awesome Blossom. We're gonna have to. That probably has a name on it. Turn it. Can you turn it around? Mason. That looks like a Valentine's present for you from Aunt Voni, Mason. We'll have to open that up. Turn that to the side. I bet that's for Lukey.
Luke, you get one Valentine's too.
I can't. Eric. Aunt Voni sent one for.
Thank you.
That was very sweet, Voni. And that looks like it's probably for me.
They're just presents for everyone.
Oh, thanks, Voni. That's awesome. It looks like an awesome cup and a water bottle and a little Valentine's with candies. And then let's see. Turn that. What is that? Oh, we'll have to. Oh, wait. Here, turn it to me again so I can read the top. Oh, that's for me. It says love you. Oh, it looks like a fun calendar.
Here.
Looks like a calendar for moms to keep track of stuff. Sure does.
Mommy.
Thanks, Vaughn. I'm totally going to put that in my office and
Mommy.
use that to plan.
Mommy.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much.
Now you have your first calendar.
Yes, my first calendar.
Mommy, that's in the box.
Okay, now you can open up your little package and you can see what's in the Valentine's Aunt Voni gave you. Put the box on the floor. No. I want to see what you're opening. Put this big box on the floor. And put Lukey's back in there, and we'll open his in a minute. Now open up your Valentine's bag so you can see all the goodies Aunt Voni put. Those are big Valentines. Beautiful. You could probably rip it open to Mason. Show me so I can see what you're opening. Yeah. You could probably rip the bag part open, honey. The plastic part if you want.
This part?
Yeah, if that's easier for you. Can you get it? If not, I can help you.
Open it for me?
Here, let Dad open the part on the top for you.
I'm trying to open that top.
Hey, you touched my stuff.
No, leave Mason.
That's
Don't. No. Don't open Dad. Leave Dad's stuff there. He wanted to open his own thing.
okay.
There.
You open your. Just leave it there. That's fine.
Here you
He'll
go.
grab it.
Oh my god, this is like triple knotted here.
Yeah. I'm gonna use everything wrong.
You did alright. There's just a bunch of them. Alright, there you go. There's all your ties.
Okay. Now let's see.
Daddy!
Oh, a nice water bottle.
Daddy, look! We get to see water bottles!
You took mine and something. I didn't even get to see mine.
Okay.
Put Dad's stuff down, Mason, and just let him get his own stuff. You open yours, baby. Come over here.
Dad, look! You have to see water
Wow, cool.
Okay, what else is in there, Mace?
bottles.
Candy.
Eric likes his one. What is that, Mason?
This is a book.
Oh, how cute. What's his name?
I'm calling him Foxy.
Foxy. That's cute, Foxy. Mason loves soft things, Voni. Loves to cuddle. Awesome. You can add that into your collection for the race. Awesome.
Another. There's one.
Wow, look at how lucky you are.
Maybe I finally remember that I love cars.
She did remember, didn't she?
Yeah.
That's a Star Wars one. Ooh, that looks like chocolates. And then open the card. That looks like your Valentine's card.
Daddy,
Aww.
Daddy, open your card.
I did. I got one that said, "Orange you happy, we're friends."
Let's see what it says, Mason. Bring it over. Well, that's just super cute. It says, "I like you a waffle lot. Happy Valentine's Day."
A lot.
Okay, what do you want to tell Aunt Bonnie?
Thank you, Aunt Voni, for sending all these presents
And what else?
and my card.
No, what else you want to tell her?
And thank you for sending
Hey,
all these
I
cards.
love
Okay, Mason, can you look this way?
And by sending all those cards and this chocolate
Mason.
and that water bottle and
Mason.
and that fox. And in that fox and Foxy.
And how much do you miss her?
A lot.
And what else?
I can't hear you.
Love.
How much do you love her and miss her?
I love you really a lot, and I love you 100 love.
100 loves. Thank you.
Mommy.
Lukey, we're going to open your stuff in just a little bit, okay? And then we'll take a picture with your stuff for Aunt Bonnie.
Mommy.
And then I'm going to open my stuff.
Mommy, open your stuff.
I'm going to open mine. I have to cut the baby's nails, and I'm trying to pick these crusty boogers out of his nose. I just got finished feeding him. I love you. Thank you so much for thinking of us. We actually put together a little Valentine for you and dropped that in the mail yesterday morning. So you should be getting that, I think, on Monday or Tuesday. We love you so much. Talk to you later. Bye.